Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine here. You know that this is your class with the NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 15, Blow Hot, Blow Cold. So, dear students, first of all, I want to tell you that this story has been written by Dr. Zakir Hussain, that is the former president of India, and he has written many stories for the children like this. This is a story of a woodcutter and Mia Balishte. Woodcutter is a person who cut the wood from the forest and sell it into the city so that like this he earn money for his family. Now let's start the chapter. There was a woodcutter. Every day in the morning he used to go to the forest to cut wood. In the evening he would sell the wood in the city. One day he went deep into the forest. It was very cold winter. His fingers were becoming numb. Every now and then the woodcutter would put down his axe and bring his hands close to his mouth. Then he would blow hard on them to warm them. Here there is a woodcutter who daily who cut the wood from the forest in the morning, and in evening he went to the city to sell the food. And one day he went into the deep forest. That is why in the deep forest there was so much winter, there was so much cold, and that is why his fingers were becoming numb. Numb means when sometimes when there is so much cold, then our hands freezed, and that is why it stopped working because of frozen. That is why the meaning of that is the meaning of numb. Every now and then the woodcutter would put down his axe. So because of becoming so much cold, the woodcutter bring his hands to close to his mouth and blow on them so that it could be warm. While he was cutting wood, Mia Balishte was watching him from a corner. Mia Balishte saw that the woodcutter kept blowing on his hands. He began to wonder what all that was about, but he could not understand it. He got up thinking that he would go and ask the woodcutter. After walking a little, he came back thinking that the woodcutter may not like being asked. Finally, Mia Barishte could not help himself. He went hopping to the woodcutter and said, "Hello, brother. If you don't mind, can I ask you something?" Here, a person named, you are watching that this is a person who is very shorter, that you are watching, this is very shorter person. This is a man who lived in the forest, and he was shorter in height than others, and he was also uneducated. And Mia Balishte was watching to the woodcutter that he was blowing on his hands, so he was very surprised. So he want to go to the woodcutter and asked why he was doing so this work, why he was blowing on his hand. So he went to the woodcutter and he asked, "Can I ask you something?" Seeing this tiny person, the woodcutter was amazed and amused. When the woodcutter saw this tiny person, this shorter person, he was very amazed. But he hid his smile and asked,